Russian forces again struck several industrial facilities in various regions of so-called Ukraine. In Kharkiv, Garand kamikaze drones hit buildings on the territory of the Malyshev tank plant. Ship repair facilities in Odessa were attacked with several drones. The city is one of the major hubs for the production of unmanned boats. There is an exchange of strikes in the border regions. The Russian armed forces hit a transformer in 𝐒𝐤𝐫𝐚𝐢𝐴 with a drone strike. The enemy shelled the Kursk and Belgorod regions several times. A woman was killed in one of the attacks. Russian forces continue their attempts to push through enemy defenses in the 𝐒𝐬𝐬𝐢𝐚 direction. There is fighting east of 𝐒𝐬𝐫𝐼𝐻 and 𝐒𝐠. The AFU are counterattacking. There is heavy fighting near Bodanivka for the nearby heights. Artillery is operating actively. Russian troops are trying to advance in a wide swath along the heights to the north and south of the village. To the south, the Russian armed forces are attacking in the direction of Krasne, Ivanivske, and even managed to gain a foothold on the eastern outskirts. Russian units advanced across the plantations from the direction of Klishchivka, bypassing the field east of the village. In the Donetsk direction, fierce fighting continues in almost all sectors. In the area of Shcheverna, clashes are taking place among the plantations. Neither side can advance. On the southeastern outskirts of Avdiivka, the AFU is trying to regain its positions in the area of the Tsarska Ohota fortified area, which it lost earlier. The fighting is taking place in the private sector. Russian troops are repelling attacks by enemy armored vehicles. To the west of Marinka, the Russian armed forces are conducting an offensive in the direction of Georgiivka. Russian troops are also trying to advance southward in the direction of Pobjeda and the Zverinets fortified area. In the Novomikhailivka area, Russian troops managed to take several strongholds in the course of the fighting. The enemy lost positions in plantations to the north and east of the settlement. At the same time, the AFU are still able to shell the western districts of Donetsk. At least 3 civilians were wounded as a result of another raid.